Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm watching CLC's Helicopter. Now I am a CLC fan. I'm not like a stan, but I do enjoy their music and I do really like all the girls. I've seen loads of people that are clearly more into them have noticed that this is their first comeback for what feels like, it must have been this year, maybe like a year and a bit as well. I saw them perform it on something and the song sounded good. I'm so into Yeon since Good Girl. I actually love her. She is my bias, but I love her, and yeah, I'm pretty sure I know the girl's name, so I'm just excited to watch. Without further ado, 1, 2, 3. Will be lonely at the top. Oh, and Sawn at the minute I'm really into, but I feel like everyone's kind of really into Sawn. Oh my god, are we going EDM? Who else is blonde except... Oh, yeah. Sounds like an Everglow song. Go on, Ian. I think she's one of the most talented rappers. I also love Elkie's voice. Ooh. It's like you have short hair. Or is it just a fucking style? She looks amazing now. It's just like the way that it's cut. I don't know how I feel about this song. I'm trying to process it. Really enjoyed the way she said higher there. Yeah, I feel like I can like this song. Oh, go on, Sean. Look at that hair. Wait, did she have like a long slick back pony? Did I make that? Everything looks so pretty. Yes, I mean. Yeon actually just spits these bars and it kills me. My bias wrecker just coming and hitting me hard there. I don't understand what's going on with her hair. I kind of like the fact they've all kind of got natural hair with this comeback as well. That, whatever else he's in is really pretty. Is anyone else getting like little Everglow feels, or is it just me? Yeah, Sawn's hair there, I was wrong. It looks great. Reminds me of like a Girls Aloud set or something. Yeon is actually the coolest person, man. So cool. Who's the... Yes, and you get that new girl! This bit really suits Sawn's tone. Elkie with her... Elkie with a ponytail! Yes, girls! The journey never ends. Or does that mean it's like a saga? Do we have like part 2 coming, or am I reading too far into that? Okay, so that did not disappoint. That was great. I enjoyed the song. I enjoyed the dance. I enjoyed the outfits, the sets. The girls look great. I mean, I don't know if it was worth the wait, if I'm being honest. So, Cube, I'm kind of talking to you. But it was still really good. They're promoting at the same time. Well, actually, Dreamcatcher's promotions end this week. They're kind of just overlapping. And I know the girls are friends, so it would have been great to see some CLC and some Dreamcatcher interactions. But what are you going to do? I did enjoy that song though, and I think people were moaning about the fact that it's just the digital single, which is annoying because A, you can't buy the album and there's weren't many photocards or anything, and B, it's only one song, so we can get hype, but just for the same song. But the song was good, so I will listen to it. Like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all very soon.